Many vehicle manufacturers will actually restrict who and who cannot purchase specific parts if your vehicle's in a collision or an accident. Now, there are a lot of valid reasons for this. First and foremost is that the vehicle manufacturers do not allow certain parts to be sold to just any body shop unless that shop has actually met the training and the equipment requirements as per that OEM's guidelines in order to safely and properly repair your vehicle. So, Michael, I know you're a certified shop. You know what I'm talking about with restricted parts. What are some reasons why the vehicle manufacturers restrict who can buy these parts and who can't buy them? And why does that benefit the consumer?
Well, first and foremost, these parts are restricted for reasons of safety. They're more often than not structural parts that are comprised of advanced materials, and they require some really specific tooling and training in order to be able to install those properly and ensure that that vehicle is going to hold up in a subsequent collision. So, as a consumer, when a vehicle manufacturer restricts a part, what that should tell you is I have a really specialized vehicle that requires a really specialized repair process. So when you go to a shop that does have the ability to purchase those restricted parts, you can have confidence in knowing that they're going to have the knowledge, tools, and know how to install that part properly and get you back in a vehicle that's repaired safely.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.